Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I want to talk about a huge mistake that new network marketers make. It happens all the time and it's actually hurting the chances of you being successful in network marketing. And that huge mistake is switching companies too soon. All right. Now look, what I mean by that is there are tons and tons of network marketing opportunities out there, right? And a lot of times when they're presented to us, every company sounds amazing. Every company sounds like it's the best thing ever, right? So what happens is people sign up to all these opportunities, they get involved with it, and they don't see the results that they thought they were going to get, and they don't see them within the first, month or two. What do? Most people, they'll just move on to that other opportunity that they saw at the same time as the original one, and then they just switch over. They just sign up. They just let their first network marketing opportunity go to waste, right? They don't even promote it no more. They don't talk about it no more. They don't think about it no more. They just move on to the next company, right? So they're all excited about that company. 3-4 months go by with the new company. They're not getting the results that they thought they were going to get. So what do? They move on to another opportunity, and it just keeps going and going and going to the point where they say, man, network marketing is a scam. Network marketing ain't real. You can't make any money with network marketing. That's what ends up happening. Instead of jumping from company to company every few months, some people do it every few weeks, but instead of doing that, whenever you find an opportunity that you really believe in, that you really see people getting results with, you need to set a time, a realistic time frame to really work that business opportunity before you decide to move on. All right. And I highly recommend doing at least 1 year with the company. Now remember, when I say stay signed up with a company or work a business for at least a year, what I'm talking about is actually do everything you need to do to be successful with the opportunity. Make sure you do that consistently for a year. If you do that and you still ain't making no damn money, then okay. You know what I'm saying? Check out another opportunity. You know what I'm saying? See what else is out there. But ultimately, a lot of people, they just switch companies way too often, right? They don't give their opportunity, the time to actually create the income that they want, because they're just like, oh, this didn't work, next, right? If you keep jumping from company to company, you're probably not going to be successful with network marketing. Because I'm going to be real with you, especially with a lot of these opportunities out there today, you actually can make money. There are people making money with network marketing. I am making money with network marketing, so it's real. It's just a matter of finding a company that's for you and actually giving it time to work for you. All right. Now, if you want to check out the network marketing companies that I am currently involved with and am making money with, you want to watch this video right here, right now.